I'm just afraid it's gonna take off and never go here. Doesn't have to, but we'll keep an eye. First and foremost, we need to close on this trade. And sorry, I'm still stuffing my face. You've got our Comcast deal. What we need is to set up an alarm. Oops, what is this? Wow. So if it hits our virtual stop. Oh, no. If it hits our virtual stop, we will take our take profit to break even. You know the drill already. So if it doesn't go our direction and goes here, then we'll just put take profit to break even, and either we'll exit the deal, because most likely, in most of the cases, market gives you an opportunity to exit, to break even. But if it doesn't, we'll just hold for dear life. It's a dividend paying stock at its T2, potentially soon to be. Well, if it doesn't play in our favor, it will break down. But anyhow, we'll just hold, if anything. Yeah, it's at the good levels. It is at the good levels. So we'll be watching this deal tomorrow. Here's our cues. Technically, it's an entry point on daily. We would desire a test, because the configuration, you see how the biggest volume of this 2-bar spring comes in the first bar, but the second bar goes lower. Hence the question. Yeah, you see, we can see it confirmation in 1 hour. Hence the question. It tested again. It's not officially test level no more, right? So it dropped from here. Now what is it gonna do at this level? That's the question. So yeah, waiting for test would be legitimate idea. The problem with this guy is that there is splash of volume with this bar already by like 2 ticks, I think. $12. Yeah, by 12 ticks, it already manipulated the sign of strength level, and technically, so if be like very specific, it's broken now, so there is no level no more. Practically, of course, we use a visual method of technical analysis, and if it doesn't look like it broke on the chart, even in this, like when we zoom in, like if you super zoom in, we can see, yeah, it did. But the bigger problem is that after this movement, it didn't have a strength to go to the T1 level. So yeah, everything here is very questionable. Other than that, it looks beautiful on hourly, but superior time frame is always more important. So technically, if it tests, resumes, it's a go. And that's again, it's like a biggest level, at least on this Yeah, I wouldn't like fool around with this stock. It's acting weird. It's acting weird. But we'll keep an eye. You know. Uh, Tech sector, on the other hand, does beautiful manipulation with no unvolumed. So again, we can play with it and see like how different it is. And yeah, this is not tempting the daily compared to this. This is tempting compared to this. This is way more tempting than what we just saw on tech and this ACN Accenture. Yeah, we'll keep an eye, but not really. Home Depot. Why are we even looking at it? Oh, it just remained open. Yeah, basically, let's see the other stocks. Um, this would be a beautiful play if it didn't go to creek level already. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, small caps are going to hell. First, test, upthrust, test, and then it just goes to hell. Maybe I should reconsider closing Roku. Sorry, stuffing my face. Have this band-aid on my. Meantime, technically, Spies holding jump over creek level because Zingo below, but we can't work on the jump over creek level because while manipulating it went so low, almost to T2, the wave forming, the wave level, and jump over creek is a bar level. You see, went so low. The volume is beautiful now. Ah, it looks like it will just resume and go to T1 level. Okay. Oh, yeah, everything like starts really look bearish, you guys. I think it's not the end of the bullish market yet, but somewhere not far away. Mhm. If there was a volume here, you could just enter it. Yeah. Health sector. It broke above technically. What's the biggest volume here? This is the biggest volume. Yeah. Keep an eye. Or Pepsi. Woo. Exxon. Yeah, no mercy. No mercy. It's gone. CVS still trying to work out this trade. Those are our monthly. Mhm. Oof. Look at HSBC. Wow. 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 Gosh, I'm such a pig. Wow, wow, wow. Is HSBC a Chinese bank? Because I know they're under pressure right now. Hong Kong, right? If they're Chinese, I know the China is under pressure right now from the United States and Western world um, to stop working with Russia. That definitely puts a pressure on them. Gosh, guys, just check this out. This is wild. This is just boom. Now tell me it's not wild, because I think it is. Imagine all people who bought here, who bought here yesterday. How did they feel? How their stop losses felt today? This is beautiful. Well, it's not like I'm trying to speculate. Well, I do try speculate on other people's misfortunes. That's the nature of stock market, of financial markets. If you really want to be lucrative in financial markets, you better like deal with the idea of you'll be ripping off other people's money. You can consider yourself a Robin Hood because not only retail, but also some funds that are regulated, slow, and mm, inconsiderate sometimes about what they do. Sometimes incompetent. You'll be surprised what kind of specialist sometimes works. It's not even a short trend, you guys. It's you wouldn't call it a balance, but holy moly, this is a piece of art. I'd buy a hell out of this stock at this level. This is just beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, you guys hear this guy? They have like two ice cream, the ice cream truck and the ice cream cart. Both, I think, sent by United States government. It's a psychological warfare. Warfare. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Because I think if this comes here, if this guy comes here with all this volume, manipulates this level, oh boy. Like a former and possible future president of the United States of America would say, I'd grab it. I'd just grab it. um, yeah, it's not even daily watch, it's hourly watch. These guys can be our trade of the century. Dude, this is a beauty. Yeah, it is a bit overextended. Overextended. So that was the original drawing here. Boom, 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 boom. Balance, didn't break above. No, didn't break, broke above. So this, yeah. And then to do like this. And there was no point to maintain this. So it's definitely, yeah, we're definitely looking at a long trend here. You guys, I take it, and I will take it tomorrow. And when it comes here, I can, oh gosh, I can switch over to 5 minute. We don't have indication for 5 minute, by the way, but we don't need to because it's a very rare case. So when it comes here, I can just switch over to 5 minutes and buy it. Yeah, can we get to this point? Yeah, minutes look weird because I think the market is freaking out. Yeah, and it's not so volatile. You guys, it's a candidate. It's a candidate for tomorrow. Mm. Yeah. Um, yeah, guys. I don't see why we shouldn't keep an eye on this guy. I'm gonna switch that off and come back. You know what? What is here? Um, yeah, I think it was somewhere here. Ooh. Yeah, let's put it as a marker here. But yeah, I'm gonna switch off and go to my 1 hour meditation. But I'll be back, okay? And we'll continue. AY. But um, this guy is our watch tomorrow. Way more so than this guy or this guy. You see the difference? Like, try to pick it up here or here. Like, don't even waste your time. Or here. Because this is your guy. Called HSBC. Unless they're going to hell or something. But then we're going with them. Well, yeah, like the technically the sign of strength level is not, and we had like a bigger level. Yeah, there's a bigger volume here. We'll analyze it a little bit more, but with all the other things even, There is no spread whatsoever. We'll investigate it further. And like sign of strength bar level is not that strong, so playing of 0.5 can be tricky. However, that's a play. Okay, we'll look deeper into HSBC once I'm back. Till then.